Tired of losing in the Forex market? Frustrated with complicated strategies that seem to work for everyone but you? You're not alone in this struggle. Many traders, both new and experienced, face the same challenges. They struggle to find consistent profits and often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the market. That's why I'm excited to share with you a simple yet highly effective Forex strategy. This strategy is designed to help you earn $1,000 every Friday, without the need for complicated indicators or confusing charts. Imagine focusing on clear, straightforward signals and strategic timing. This method eliminates the noise and allows you to concentrate on what truly matters in trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, this strategy is designed for everyone. It's easy to understand and implement, making it accessible to all. It's time to stop the losses and start seeing real results. Imagine the confidence you'll gain as you watch your trading account grow steadily. Join me on this journey as we unlock the secrets to consistent Forex trading profits. Together, we will explore the techniques that can transform your trading experience. Get ready to change your trading game and achieve your financial goals. With this strategy, you can finally take control of your financial future and enjoy the rewards of successful trading. The key to a successful trading strategy lies in thorough early week market analysis. Focus your attention on Monday and Tuesday to identify emerging trends and patterns that can set the tone for the rest of the week. Look for strong, clear movements in currency pairs, as these can indicate potential opportunities for profitable trades. Ignore the noise and focus on the big picture. This means filtering out minor fluctuations and concentrating on significant trends. Identify support and resistance levels to anticipate price action. These levels can help you predict where the market might reverse or continue its trend. Pay close attention to economic news releases that can impact currency values. News events can cause sudden market movements, so staying informed is crucial. Remember, understanding the market's direction is crucial for timing your trades effectively. A well-timed trade can make the difference between a profit and a loss. Once you've identified a trend, patience is key. Don't jump into a trade prematurely. Wait for a pullback towards a support level before entering a buy order. Conversely, for a downtrend, wait for a rally towards resistance before entering a sell order. This strategic timing minimizes risk and maximizes profit potential. Remember, we're not chasing every pip, but aiming for high probability setups. Section 4. Profit targets, your roadmap to success. Before entering any trade, always set clear profit targets. This is crucial for disciplined trading. Determine your desired profit level based on your risk tolerance and the identified trend strength. Don't be greedy, secure profits when your target is reached. Remember, consistency is key in Forex trading. Small consistent wins add up over time. Section 5. Risk management, protecting your hard-earned gains. Effective risk management is paramount to long-term success. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. Use stop-loss orders to automatically exit trades if they move against you. Remember, losses are a part of trading, but managing them properly is crucial. By limiting your risk, you protect your capital and ensure you can continue trading. Section 6. $1,000 every Friday. Your path to financial freedom. Imagine a life where every Friday you can count on an extra $1,000 in your account. By following this simple yet powerful strategy, you can turn this dream into a reality. You can consistently earn $1,000 every Friday. The key lies in understanding the market dynamics and making informed decisions. Remember to analyze the market early in the week, time your trades strategically, set clear profit targets, and always be mindful of the risks involved. Practice effective risk management to safeguard your investments and maximize your returns. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. Put this strategy to the test and see the results firsthand. This strategy has the potential to transform your trading journey. Start small, gain confidence, and gradually increase your investments. Watch your profits grow steadily over time. With dedication and the right approach, financial freedom is within your reach. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your fellow traders and subscribe for more profitable trading strategies. Click the link below to watch the full strategy video and start earning $1,000 every Friday.